welcome back to our channel.
And today we'll be explaining
how a baby develops from one singular cell.
So the first cell of the baby must form in order for the baby to grow. Duh. But how does that cell form?
So the first step is when the sperm goes to the egg and creates an embryo. Here's our very artistic take on that.
Inside each cell, there's a nucleus, and inside each nucleus is DNA. What exactly is DNA, you ask? Here's a rough explanation of it, I guess.
So the DNA is like a blueprint for our cells, and there are parts of the DNA called genes that are like instruction manuals for our cells. Once a protein is wrapped around the DNA, a chromosome is formed.
Go crazy! Ah! Go stupid!
Now that you know what DNA is, you also need to know that DNA needs to replicate for the body to grow. How does that happen exactly? Well, let's take a look inside the DNA.
So inside the DNA are nucleotides. Nucleotides have bases. And A goes to T and T goes to G. And this is the
Complementary base pairing rules. In order to replicate the DNA, the hydrogen bonds between the bases must break. The enzyme breaks the hydrogen bonds. Once the bases break apart, a new strand of DNA comes in, and the complementary bases connect to form new DNA. A goes to T and C goes to G.
This part is called semi-conservative because part of the old pairs with part of the new.
To form a new DNA. This is important because DNA needs to be replicated in every single cell for the body to grow.
Exact copies. So the cell cycle is when the cell first grows, then synthesizes, grows again,
Ah! Mitosis!
mitosis, and then goes through cytokinesis.
At the end of the cell cycle, the cells split apart to form two new cells. As long as this process keeps continuing, the cells will continue to multiply.
So you guys might be wondering how DNA functions as a genetic code, and why is it even used by the cells? Well, we know that inside DNA are genes, and we also know that inside DNA are nucleotides, and that there are nucleotide bases. A group of 3 nucleotide bases together form a codon, and the codon codes amino acids to make certain proteins so that the body can grow. Now you also might be wondering how cells become specialized. Well, we just told you. Each amino acid is programmed to form a different type of protein so that they can become different cells.
Hi, I'm the DNA, and I activate this gene to tell the amino acids to make proteins for the muscle.
I'm a protein and I make up the cells.
I'm a cell, and I make up a tissue.
I'm a tissue and I make up the organs.
I'm the organ, I'm in the organ system.
So throughout the human life, the human cells continue to perform the cell cycle and DNA replication to grow and repair its body. And there you have it, guys. That's how a baby develops from one singular cell.
I hope you guys enjoy.
Bye!
Okay.
You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna be like a blooper.
You're about to find out, Buckster. Aiden! Get down here!
Wait, this gene.
Yeah! I regret every life decision I've ever made.
Betty the platypus. This is my gene.
Yeah!
Let's get rid of this ball. Organ, I make up. Oh, God.
No, I'm not gonna hit you. Hi.
I like their group. DNA comes through and the complement. If you touch me with the Legos and they break, I will hurt you.
Perry the platypus.
Me is losing her mind.
Country boy Ahmad.
Fun times.
The horse is in
God, I hate myself.
Nucleotide.
Genes. Oh my God. Well, how does this? Ah!
Shower, I threw it and it hit me left.
Hi guys.
In order for the babies to grow. Wait, give me a mushroom. If you touch me one more time.
Okay, we're good. Let's go, boys.